This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can adjust the Advanced RTH mode on this drone. So first you need to launch the device's settings, enter the safety category, scroll down and look for the Advanced RTH selection. Here you can switch between optimal or preset. When in optimal, the aircraft will automatically fly the most optimal RTH or return to home route. And preset, while in the preset mode, you will be able to set the predetermined altitude for the aircraft to rise to before, actually returning to home. Here you can adjust this altitude and set it to be anywhere between 10 meters and 110. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye-bye.